Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a VPS game panel in Hostinger, making it a hassle-free experience for both seasoned server managers and gaming enthusiasts new to the process. This comprehensive guide will help you maximize the benefits of Hostinger's services, allowing you to expand your gaming capabilities effortlessly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to hostinger.com. Here, you'll find a user-friendly interface that makes bringing your ideas online incredibly straightforward. Look to the upper right corner of the page and click on the Login button. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up before continuing with this tutorial. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger H panel, which is designed to manage your hosting services efficiently. Here, click on the VPS option to begin setting up your game panel. Then, select the game panel option, where you'll initiate the setup process. Hostinger stands out with top-tier processors and customization options, making it an excellent choice for hosting your favorite games. In the Setup section, click on the Setup button to start configuring your VPS settings. A key step here is selecting your server location. Choosing a server geographically close to you can significantly reduce latency and improve gameplay. After making your selection, click Next to continue. Now, you'll need to enter a strong, memorable password, as this will be your gateway to accessing the game panel in the future. Once you've done this, click Next. It's time to choose a VPS plan that aligns with your specific needs and budget. Hostinger offers a range of plans designed for different usage levels and scales, so pick one that best suits you. After selecting a plan, proceed to the payment section and complete your purchase. With the payment done, your VPS will become active. Log back into your Hostinger account and head to the VPS management area on the H panel. Here, locate the game panel linked to your new VPS and click on Manage or Access panel to explore its features. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased and set up your VPS game panel in Hostinger. Dive into your new gaming adventure. And remember, Hostinger's support team is always ready to assist if you need further help. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!